Hello and welcome. This is the ZAxis, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Guilty Gear resolution. At the moment your resolution will be in letterbox mode, so if you want it on full screen, please follow the instructions. Locate your Guilty Gear settings options. Because I have installed Steam, my settings will be within Steam. So what I have to do is double click Guilty Gear Isuka, configure settings, play, and here will be my settings. What I would have to do, I would have to go to window mode, apply OK. Once we're in window mode, the game will run in Windows mode. Down in the description will be download for you. Please download the thing in the description. Once you've downloaded and you extracted the files, you come up with these two files here. One's to turn something into Windows mode, the other one is to turn it something into full screen mode. So what you want the Game Companion, which will turn stuff into full screen mode. Just double click Game Companion, show this splashing, click no. So now Game Companion is running on the background. So we want to rerun Guilty Gear Isuka with Steam and play Guilty Gear Isuka. Click play. As you could see here, the game is being played in Windows mode. To have a full screen, full resolution, what you have to do, because you got Game Companion active, what you have to do with this box, just click the Alt, so that's left Alt and Enter, or is it Control and Enter, sorry. Left Control and Enter, you'll have a full screen resolution on Guilty Gear Isuka, and you can play the game full screen mode.
Please select your character. Good luck.
俺は檻に生きる。
生きがんじゃないよ。
Heaven or hell. Let's rock.
遅えよ、遅えよ。
ちゃんと言っている。
甘いんだよ。
かまれ。Counter. Come on in. Let's
小
rock.
さなやつなんだけど。
おうよ。
Let's rock.
甘いんだよ。
Romantic. Come on in.
おうよ。
Come on in. Let's rock.
遅えよ。これなら。
Come on in.
なんだっ
ちゃんと言っている。
遅えよ。ちゃんと絞ってんだ。畜生が。肩逃がし。
避けてみろ。
甘いんだよ。
避けてみろ。避けてみろ。避けてみろ。
ちゃんと見てきな。
避けてみろ。おい、かまれ。これだよ。避けてみろ。おうよ。おうよ。おうよ。
You see, this is how to put the Guilty Gear Isuka to full screen. Just download the thing in description, double click the exe from Game Companion, set your settings on Guilty Gear Isuka to Windows mode, and then from there, as you got Game Companion active, press Ctrl and Enter, then your game will be played with full screen. I hope this helps. This has been the ZAxis. Take care, good luck.